Hi, today I'm ready for Lenovo Tab M7 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So let's first open the settings application and then tap to network and internet. Here we'll see the Wi-Fi section. Just to activate Wi-Fi, click once on the switcher. And after that, we'll see here all the available networks. For example, let's select the network. Here we should enter the password. If you want to see this password, you should click here to the Show Password checkbox, then just tap to connect, wait a couple of seconds. And now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. If you wanna just use another network, that's not a problem. Just you can right the same way, select the network, enter the password, tap to connect, and after that you'll see all your saved networks with the passwords here, and you can switch between them. To turn off the Wi-Fi, you should also tap to the Wi-Fi switcher to turn it off. And also we got one more way how we can do that. Just first open notification panel shortcuts. Here you will see the Wi-Fi icon. Just tap on the icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, and if you want to launch Wi-Fi settings, just hold it for a while and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.